Hey everybody, this is the Talking Dictionary here again, bringing you words and definitions so that you can apply it while you live in today's society, you know. So today's definition shall be the word toad. Toad is a family of very ambitious reptiles. Oh, I'm sorry, folks. Actually, toad is a family of amphibious reptiles. I didn't see it correctly. But, you know, that doesn't mean that reptiles are not ambitious. Because they are, you know. You can actually be an ambitious amphibian. You know, you don't have to be human necessarily to be ambitious. You could be an ambitious amphibious reptile. I mean, how many times do you come across a reptile like a toad that's ambitious? Though it might be an amphibian. But don't get confused, folks. Just because a toad is an amphibian doesn't mean that it's always ambitious. Do you understand? Got it? Do you now know the difference between the two? Amphibious and ambitious? Okay, you got it? Oh, what's the matter? You see, this is what the problem happens. I just say a little funny thing and a little ambitious, a little amphibian. Somebody's gotta be like, oh, they're gone, never mind. I was just referring, you know, sometimes, you know, Miss Divine uploads a video to the internet and, you know, these people who don't normally watch the show come across it. And then, they're looking for jokes or something, and then they come across this, because, you know, the keyword is jokes, and then they just don't like it, because it's not, you know, maybe because it's not mean-spirited enough, you know. Because I guess that would mean that something must be wrong with the viewer, if they only like mean-spirited jokes. Don't you think? I mean, if you don't find an ambitious amphibian funny, hey, buddy, it's not my problem. It's yours. You're the one with the problem. So, at least I, the Talking Dictionary, am free to talk about ambitious amphibians. I'm not afraid to not talk about ambitious amphibians. Because sometimes people that talk about ambitious amphibians can actually get booed off stage if they were performing live. They could get things thrown at them. But I, the Talking Dictionary, do not perform live. In fact, I perform, you know, the show is taped, obviously, in advance. So what you're watching is a recording, and there's really nothing you can do about it. Yet some people, though, who, you know, in the internet era, you know, they do say their little jokes, and then sometimes people just say, "Get off the internet!" And then they're like, oh, okay, I will. But not this Talking Dictionary, because if I want to talk about ambitious amphibians, I'm going to talk about ambitious amphibians. And there's nothing you can do. And hey, you can't pronounce that word just as fast as I did, so don't even make fun of that little slip a few seconds earlier. So, I say to all of you, keep on talking about ambitious amphibians. In fact, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to talk about ambitious amphibians because I feel like it. See? Oh, and in case you're wondering what today's definition was, it was the definition of toad. Toads are the amphibious reptile, and sometimes they can be ambitious. So stay tuned for more words and more ambitious. Stay tuned for more ambitious amphibians. No, that doesn't make sense. Oh, you're right. Stay tuned for more topics relating to amphibious ambitions. Yeah.